Wagwan guys, I'm drunk with excitement on the purple carpet, or is this red carpet? Whatever it is, can you introduce yourself to the viewers at home?
Oh, hi guys, my name is Ronald TechBB on Twitter. So it's good to meet you.
Yeah, you know what? The exciting thing about Raenest Exchange today is that we are pulling people out from inside the phone screen and pulling them out, and they are real persons looking better than they look on screen. So, what do you do? How do you do what you do?
Okay, I'm the founder of a platform called BuildHubb, and I'm a product and a project manager, also in marketing a little bit. Yeah, so that's basically what I do.
Oh, that's amazing. So, speaking to someone who is aspiring, because I can see you're a VIP at this event, someone aspiring to be where you are, maybe in the next 1 year. I don't know how long it took you to build to this point. Maybe in the next 10 years, I don't know. What would you have to say to the person?
Okay, I would say this. Social media is your hack, right? Make sure in everything you do, you build in public. And be resilient. Be audacious. Be bold, right? Because that is what is working right now in the industry, right? You can be the most talented person, but if you're not out there doing the real things, making strides to actually get yourself seen, get visible and stuff like that, you'll probably struggle. And this is the simple hack I can give to anyone, no matter how early it is.
Wow, so I'm learning a lot today. So he is saying we should be visible on social media, whether YouTube, Twitter, Instagram, Facebook, and you can have a dominant platform. Like some of us don't visit Instagram, we are on other platforms more often. I think it's more of a Twitter person. So what do you use Raenest for? What do you use? Do you use GigPay? Which of Raenest products do you use?
GPay actually.
Okay, so that is amazing to hear. So how can people make money?
Oh, I think right now, learning digital skills are everything. No matter what field you're in, no matter what you do, just pick up a simple digital skill. It doesn't have to be anything too crazy. It doesn't have to be anything too technical. Something as simple as storytelling, content creation, content writing. These are things right now that if you learn to actually market it and do something with these skills, you're going to make a lot of money, right? We are in a creators economy right now, where creators on the internet are making you know the figures. You know how much people on YouTube are making on YouTube. You know the figures, right? So these things are real. They are real people doing these real things, right? And I believe in 2025, everyone should be able to step out of a box. Don't lock yourself in one box and think that you know. Step out, explore, learn something, pick up a skill on the internet. Anywhere, whatever it is, doesn't have to be crazy. Just do something and learn something and do something with that skill. Actually, it's that simple.
Whoa! Thank you very much.